How does your favorite story end? Wait, first, how does your favorite story begin? In a world where a kid who has something to learn, something to discover, this kid finds unexpected friends. They head out on an adventure and face some tough challenges. Then when things are the darkest, when all hope seems lost, someone comes through to save the day. And everyone celebrates! Now, think about this. We are hardwired to love stories because each one of us is living one. We're all human and we all make mistakes. But sometimes the road ahead can be so rough, we don't know how to fix the problems we face. But we do know the times we've seen God at work. We know He sent a hero right into the middle of our story, God's own Son, Jesus. And we know that when we follow Jesus, God promised an ending more incredible than anything we can imagine. Wherever we go, He goes with us too. When we live out our story with hope and faith, others can see God at work in us. That's why faith is an amazing way to worship God with your life. Because worship is about more than just singing loud. It's all about living loud.
Sometimes the road ahead can be so rough. You are the reason why I don't give up. 'Cause even when it's hard to see, I still believe. So I'm gonna trust your love no matter what. Gonna live my life for you, live my life for you. Whenever I'm walking, talking, and everything I say and do. Gonna live my life for you, live my life for you. Wherever I'm going, you are going with me too. Gonna live my life for you. Gonna live my life for you. Sometimes the road ahead can be so rough. You are the reason why I don't give up. 'Cause even when it's hard to see, I still believe. So I'm gonna trust your love no matter what. Gonna live my life for you, live my life for you. Whenever I'm walking, talking, and everything I say and do. Gonna live my life for you, live my life for you. Wherever I'm going, you are going with me too. Gonna live my life for you. Gonna live my life for you. When I'm weak, I know you're strong. Won't be afraid, you'll be right here through it all. When I'm weak, I know you're strong. Won't be afraid, you'll be right here through it all. Gonna live my life for you, live my life for you. Whenever I'm walking, talking, and everything I say and do. Gonna live my life for you, live my life for you. Whenever I'm walking, talking, and everything I say and do. Gonna live my life for you, live my life for you. Wherever I'm going, you are going with me too. Gonna live my life for you. Gonna live my life for you. Gonna live my life for you. Gonna live my life for you.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly. Is it halls or is it hall? Fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. La 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel. You ever get the feeling you're being watched? Merry Christmas in July, everyone! My name is Brandon.
Oh, Christmas in July. That's why all the, is that a thing?
His name is John, and this is the So-and-So Show.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas in July, buddy.
For me? Wow, thank you. This is, okay. Wow, you got me a book. You know me so well.
Oh, no, it's not just any book. It's Charles Dickens' immortal classic, A Christmas Carol.
Yeah.
You know, with Ebenezer Scrooge?
Yeah, I saw the movie. It's, thank you. What? What? Oh, you're wondering if I got you a gift for Christmas in July?
Yes.
I didn't get you a gift. Huh?
I don't understand.
I didn't get you a Christmas in July gift because I didn't know that Christmas in July was a thing.
Of course it is. Yeah, of course it's a thing. Everyone knows it's an actual thing. Of course they do. Yeah, right?
Do they?
Yeah. Look, have I not been a good friend to you over the past half year? I mean, haven't I done enough to earn a gift from you? What's the point of putting so much work into this friendship if I don't get a gift on all the major holidays?
I mean, major?
Yes!
Okay, but I think maybe you've missed the point of holidays and of friendship and of gift giving all in general, my friend.
What's that? Is that my gift?
No.
No,
it's not a gift.
What's in the box?
Change!
Why are you talking like that?
I don't know, it's fun. Hey, you will be visited by 3 ghosts.
Ghosts?
No, wait, no. Guests. You will be visited by 3 guests. Please welcome someone who knows stuff. Here we go. Thank you for being here. Come on.
For having me.
All right.
Yes.
Okay, let's see what you got. That's great. So who are you and what do you know?
Well, hello, my name is Simone. I am the guest of Christmas Past. I've kept every Christmas gift I've ever had.
Ooh. Ever?
Like Rubik's. Hold on. I got something for you guys. Rubik's Cube. I got this like 27 Christmases ago. I'm going to solve it one day, though. Ooh la la.
Yeah. Getting close. So you think gifts are important?
Oh, yes. They're most important. How else am I going to show someone that I care about them? Spend time with them? Nah, time is fleeting, but gifts last forever.
That is the opposite of true.
Like this stuffed animal from my first Christmas.
Whoa!
This is my hairy bear. He's been through a lot.
Has he been through a wood chipper?
Ooh. Wait a minute. This is a super fun paddle ball. But lost the ball though. But my favorite first gift was given to me 10 years ago. It was this big jar of slime. It's gonna come out one day. Look at there.
It's not so slimy anymore, is it?
I know, isn't it great?
Yeah, I think I see why you're here now. You're here to show me that stuff doesn't last forever. I get it.
No. I'm actually here to show you, let me show you. Ready for this? This napkin. I had to blow my nose, and someone was like, "Do you need a napkin?" And I was like, "Thank you." End of the story.
Was that really a gift, though?
It was given to me, so duh.
Okay, thank you for coming on the show, guest of Christmas Past. You've been a big help.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. I'll just get my things.
Oh, sure.
guys
Here you go.
are
Here.
so
Don't forget.
awesome. Thank
Don't forget
you for
Harry.
everything. Oh,
Yep.
this is so nice. My little
go.
tissue.
All right.
My paddle ball.
Yeah, right.
Hey, thanks for coming.
Yeah,
Thank you for having me. Just thank you for having me. One last thing. Can I keep him?
Sure.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes.
So?
Okay, so I guess getting stuff for Christmas in July isn't the most important thing, okay? But I'm still mad because you didn't even try to give me something.
Maybe not something you can hold, but right now, at this very moment, I'm giving you my undivided attention.
That's not true. You're thinking about whether or not cereal is soup.
But isn't it? It's in a bowl.
Can we move on to the guest of Christmas present, please?
Okay, you asked for it. It's Bible story time with Kellen. Woo!
Hey, fellas.
Hey, Kellen.
Wait, Kellen's not a guest. He's here every week.
Just go with it. What have you got for us today, Kellen?
Well, today we're playing a game. It's called Who Deserves It More?
Awesome. Okay, how do we play?
The rules are very simple. You will both be put through a series of challenges. You will get points for each challenge you do well. At the end of the game, we'll see who has enough points to earn the grand prize.
I have always wanted one of those.
Bring it, Kellen.
Yeah, I'll go first.
Okay. First, I'm going to test your biblical knowledge. Contestant number 1, can you name all 12 of Jesus' disciples?
Okay, I've got this. Jesus called them one by one, Peter, Andrew, James, and John. Next came Philip, Thomas too, Matthew and Bartholomew, James and Simon, Thaddeus, and the last one is Judas. Is that right?
That is correct!
Oh, yes!
Contestant number 2, your biblical challenge is to name the 12 tribes of Israel.
I can do that without a song. Reuben, Simeon, Levi, Judah, Dan, Naphtali, Gad, Issachar, Asher, Zebulun, Benjamin, and Joseph, who was later split into the 2 half-tribes of Manasseh and Ephraim. In your face.
Correct! This next challenge is a head-to-head round to see which one of you can have the longest quiet time of reflection and prayer. The winner will be one step closer to earning the grand prize. Get ready, get set, be quiet. Oh, so sorry, John. Brandon was quieter and more reflective.
You know it!
Oh, I think I know what's happening here. Brandon, I am really, really proud of you for winning that round.
Aw,
Great job, buddy.
thanks.
See how humble I'm being, Kellen? Do I deserve points for being more humble than him?
Oh, absolutely. Here you go.
Hey, how is that fair?
Oh, no, you're right, Brandon. It's not fair. You can have some of my points.
More humility. Way to go, John.
Bingo!
Hey!
Not to worry, contestant number 2. We're going into our Good Works lightning round. Who's done the most good in the world? Go.
I helped change a tire when I didn't have to.
I did the dishes even though I wasn't asked.
I paid for the coffee for the person behind me in line.
I donated a bunch of clothes I don't wear anymore.
I play board games at a nursing home with the residents.
I offered someone my seat on the bus.
I took care of my friend's cat when she went out of town.
I got you a gift on Christmas in July. There is no clicker.
Time's up. Contestant number 1, it looks like you have 51,500 points. And contestant number 2, not far behind, with 51,000 points. Let's see if either one of you have done enough good things to earn the grand prize. Judges? Ooh, so sorry, you two. You did not do enough.
What? No.
It's true. There are some gifts you can't earn, no matter how good you are. Check out what the Apostle Paul wrote in his letter to the church in Ephesus. God's grace has saved you because of your faith in Christ. Your salvation doesn't come from anything you do. It is God's gift. It is not based on anything you have done. No one can brag about earning it. You know what that means? You both win!
Wait. I thought we didn't have enough points.
That's the thing about God's grace. You can't earn it because you don't have to earn it. Jesus already paid the price when he died on the cross for you and me. I mean, don't get me wrong, you should read and know the Bible, and you should be humble and be kind to one another. But the gift of salvation doesn't cost a thing. It's free for anyone who accepts it.
I forget that sometimes. Thanks for the reminder, Kellen.
Yeah, thanks, Kellen.
No problem, guys, and I'll catch you later. Oh, and before I forget, Merry Christmas in July.
Bye, Kellen.
You know, I really learned a lot today.
That was strange.
Yeah, it was. But as I was saying, I really learned a lot. Ah! Are you the guest of Christmas future to show me the error of my ways? To help me understand that you shouldn't try to earn gifts, especially not the greatest and most important gift of God's grace? What do you... Reveal the question? Oh. Reveal the question!
The question of the day is, why do people give gifts?
What do you think, guest of Christmas future?
I know. Just 'cause. That's why people give gifts.
Oh, that's a good reason. What do you think? Why do people give gifts?
Yeah, and talk about it together.
We'll see you next time on the So-and-So Show.
Merry Christmas.
Is he still here? 5, 6, 7, 8.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la.
Kazoo solo!
Kazoo solo. You don't have to do a solo if you don't want to.